Hi everyone, this is Sweet Cakes with my Beehive tutorial. I know a few of you have asked for this and I've taken ages to do it, so here it is. Okay, you're going to need hairspray, this. You don't actually, you don't need this, but it is amazing. It's called Got to Be Powderful. It's volumizing powder. Your bump bits, you don't have to use these again, but I use them just because they're easier. You can get them from, I got these from Poundland, so you can get them from any cheap store. You're going to need a load of these clips and a comb. So, first of all, I'm going to use volumizing powder. This is really good if you have really thin hair, but I use it just because, look, it's awesome. So just do that. That way you haven't got to backcomb it, because I don't really need to backcomb my hair anymore than it already is. It's in pretty bad condition anyway. So then section the hair in two, so top and bottom, like that. Then get your bump it. I'm going to use the big bump it today. They usually come in a pack of 5, but it's really easy. All you got to do is just kind of wrap your hair around. And then secure in place with these. Your bump it will probably stay, relatively still. But if you're going out and you want to keep it really, really tight, you can put extra ones of these in here. So if you just put it in there. The comb, you just comb it back over and make sure all of the bump it is, that you can't see it. So you see it's starting to take shape already. It's so easy to do, but it's really effective. So yeah. Make sure that the bump it is not visible in the back as well. There's quite a low back one today I've done, but it doesn't matter. Just always comb it over and make sure that you can't see it. This is so messy. I usually do a better one than this. It's hard to do in the webcam. But with these bits down here, what I usually do is just grab it, twist it up, so it's I'll show you. It looks like that. So and just clip it. And this is that's basically it. I mean, I know it's really wonky. Then you just tease it. It looks so wonky. I usually tease it really high. Make sure it's pretty goofy. See? And that is basically your Beehive. And then what you would do, or what I would do, is just stick. There you go. It's really easy. It takes 5 minutes, even though this was quite a bit of a fail. because it's all falling out. Look. If that happens, don't worry, you can just like, I put about 50 clips on my head when I'm doing this, so. And then hairspray it. And there you go, that's how you do it.